Yeah, this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and बहुत अच्छा हमारा discussion रहा one-to-one with Mr. Ramesh. So, Mr. Ramesh, I want to know your feedback. Like, how is your feedback after going through this session?
Actually, being a professional in telecommunications, I never thought these things are also exist. And parallelly, after your that seminar, I was very much eager for waiting for this meeting. Very eager to know what exactly this thing. And really now I got a very good, I mean, clear clarity. I got very good picture of what I have to do, and immediately as you suggested, I need to act on some of the things immediately. Execution mein lana hai, whatever with your kind guidance. Really, it was very fruitful for me, and I look forward for this whatever the suggestions you have given, and I see this is where it was lacking so many years for me. Really, it is eye opening for me. It's like blindly we were earning, and we never thought there is another part also to safeguard earning. So that today I learned it. Today I learned it, and there are many other ways also to have this guaranteed, like one you suggested, and the portfolio allocation, and also this education planning. I thought like एक real estate है और ये कुछ FD में डाल देते हैं या insurance में, I mean like shares में डाल देते हैं वो बड़ा हो जाए. There was no planning. Like,
Right.
thank you for that. At least
Great,
we
great,
have a structured way to approach it. I can say very beautiful structure.
great. Thank you very much. सबसे ज्यादा आपको अच्छा क्या लगा? Like जो आपने really feel किया हो कि ये totally life changing था.
Like I'm doing so many things which is nowhere. It's not identifiable which category, because the pyramid what you shown, it's very much structured. The base is very much that guaranteed one. I never thought of guaranteed one. I was thinking of like fourth or fifth level where my base is nowhere noticed. And even
Right.
insurance part, and as you said, yes, company after close retired, it will not be available for me. Even I was
Right.
planning, but it was not executed. Now
Right.
I understood the execution is important rather than and the structured way, that pyramid, it's very clear. I mean, that is where it's a very new thing to me. For it's a newly, I mean, financial planning and freedom is really from that structure.
Right, right. This is the ideal way of doing the financial planning generally. Nowadays, people are really misguided and they are doing anything.
Right,
Like
right,
from anything they do, take insurance, they directly move to the crypto part, equity part, mutual fund part, but they do not know how much to invest in which portion of
correct,
the
correct, correct.
investment. So this particular set of structure, pyramid structure, give us a clear idea, clear vision where how we can slowly and gradually move forward, starting from insurance to some emergency fund to the growth and diversification, then the speculation and till the will writing part.
Right, right.
So hope this approach will also help you building your wealth and retire you very early as soon as possible. So thank you very much once again for your time, and as discussed, I will work out the plan for you as discussed, and we'll meet again
Thank you.
by
Thank you so
after
much. I
2 days.
look forward to that. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, yeah.